Pasensya na po, may sore throat po ako, but I'm recovering. But anyway, alam mo ba, parang math din ang Philippine media na yon. May x-axis at y-axis. Parang coordinate system, which you probably learned from junior high. Pero imbes na numbers, political leanings ang sinusukat. Yung x-axis, yan yung pro versus anti-admin, kung pabor o critical kay Bongbong Marcos. Yung y-axis, yung pro versus anti-Duterte. Kaya may 4 na quadrants, parang graph ng opinion. Quadrant 2, yung upper left, ito, integrated state media, no surprise. Tapos GMA is malapit lang sa center. Yung tatlo, pro-admin, pro-Duterte, pero hindi masyado extreme. Look, there's ABG, yung Abante Billionario, yung MBC Media Group ng radio, and this one, TV5. At yung natatangi, si Rappler, kontra administrasyon, kontra kay Duterte. Alam namin naman, nag-hold the line, they hold accountable. Ito yung pinaka-weird na entry. Look, this one, PGMN, Peanut Gallery Media Network. Anti-admin, critical, pero slightly pro-Duterte. At mo nakapapansin mo, wala halos pro-Marcos, pro-Duterte corner. Ibig sabihin, pati media, after ABS, parang matrap random ang Marcos-Duterte rift. So in the end, ang media landscape, parang matrap. Lahat may coordinate, may bias, may vector of influence. At kung saan sila pumupwesto, doon mo makikita kung kaninong axis umiikot ang narrative.